I'm Jim Thiede. I own the ceiling cleaning company. I've been with Nano Concepts for about 18 years now. The reason I became an owner-operator with Nano Concepts is because I was tired of companies closing and losing my job. I decided no one is ever going to tell me how much money I can make again. I looked around for 6 months, so I was going to these entrepreneur shows. I saw this. Everywhere I went, the ceilings were dirty, and so I plunked my money down and started, and away we went. The initial startup is low. The customer support is high. Their marketing support is very good. They're just great people to deal with. If you have a question, they get it answered for you. The product is top-notch. If you want to look up, you can clean ceilings. If you want to look down, you can do non-slip floor treatments. If you want to kill germs, we have stuff for that. If you want to keep things shiny and clean that require 90% less energy to clean, we have stuff for that too. 90% of my customers are repeat business. Last year I did 187. I was in the Marine Corps active duty for 6.5 years. The Marine Corps taught me how to really look at things and pay very close attention to detail. I think that's why my business is so successful, because everything I do, I pay very close attention to it. I care about what we're doing. I have a vision in my head of what I want a place to look like before we leave, and I refuse to leave until it looks like that. There's nothing you can't do with this company. That's why I recommend Nano Concepts.